Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check account history on TikTok. How to check account history on TikTok. So if you want to check your account history or your creation date or the activities on your TikTok account or your TikTok activities or your logged in devices on your TikTok, you can simply go through these few steps on how to check them. Just open your TikTok account, then tap on the profile icon. From there, then you tap on these three lines icon at the right top corner. You tap on it, then you tap on settings and privacy. From there, you scroll down a little, then you tap on activity center. And from there, you scroll all the way down, then you tap on this option which is account history. You tap on it. Then from here you can see the account history. You can see your Instagram, you can see the TikTok account history. You can see the first one is the account was created on this so date on a particular mobile device, then the email update as well, then the account logged in on another device, stuff like that, the region and some other stuff like that, which is much more made the account history. Currently this account is new, so there are no more activities, there's no history, much history on the account, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.